مرحبا أهلا وسهلا بكم. Welcome again to our Gateway to Arabic channel with me, Dr. Imran Hamza Alawiye. In today's lesson, shall we continue learning our common verbs in Arabic? And as before, the pattern will be I'll give you a verb in the past tense, present tense, and the noun, which is directly derived from that verb, together with illustrative phrases or sentences. Shall we start today's lesson with verb to enter? And that is دخل, past tense, يدخل, present tense, دخول, the noun. You may say ممنوع الدخول من هنا. ممنوع الدخول من هنا. No entry here. Go somewhere else. ممنوع, that means it's prohibited. الدخول is just the entrance or entry. And then من هنا, from here. ممنوع الدخول من هنا. ادخل من الباب الأمامي هناك. ادخل, to a man, that means enter. To a woman you say ادخلي, enter. ادخل من الباب الأمامي هناك. Enter through the front door over there. الباب, that means door. الأمامي, that means front. هناك, over there. ادخل من الباب الأمامي هناك. Next verb, and that is verb to exit, and that is خرج, past tense, يخرج, present tense, خروج, the noun. خرج, يخرج, خروج. You can simply say اخرج من هنا, to the man, get out of here. اخرج من هنا. To the woman you say اخرجي, that's gentler, isn't it? اخرجي من هنا, من فضلك. Get out of here, please. Exit from here. Okay. I can say أخرج من المنزل الساعة 8 صباحا. أخرج من المنزل الساعة 8 صباحا. I leave the house at 8 o'clock in the morning. Okay. Another sentence or phrase. هذا الباب للخروج فقط. هذا الباب للخروج فقط. This door is for exit only. Okay. Next verb. Quickly. And that is verb to open. فتح, past tense. يفتح, present tense. فتح, the noun. فتح, يفتح, فتح. The phrase we can say افتح الباب من فضلك. افتح الباب من فضلك. Open the door please. To the man. To the woman, افتحي. Open الباب, door, من فضلك please. فتح الله لك. فتح الله لك. Or فتح الله عليك. أبواب الخير. May God open the door of blessings to you. فتح الله لك. Or فتح الله عليك. أبواب الخير. Okay. Next verb, quickly please. And that is verb to close. You can use غلق, past tense. يغلق, present tense. غلق, noun. Or use another form. أغلق, past tense. يغلق, present tense. إغلاق, and that's the noun. They both means to close. Such as أغلق الباب من فضلك. أغلق الباب من فضلك. Please close the door. أغلق الباب من فضلك. To the woman you say أغلقي الباب من فضلك. Another verb which also can mean to close, in this case it also means to padlock, and that is قفل يقفل قفل, or أقفل يقفل إقفال, and that means to close as well as to padlock. So you can say أغلق الباب ولا تقفله. Close the door فقط, only, just close the door, don't lock it. Here we are. So either you use the verb أغلق يغلق إغلاق to means to close, or you may use أقفل يقفل إقفال as well, but that means also padlocking the door. Next verb, let's try verb to stand. Okay. وقف, past tense. يقف, present tense. وقوف, and that is the noun. Now, there's another verb which also means standing. We'll compare and contrast in a minute. Let's deal with the وقف first. وقف يقف وقوف. So I can say لا تقف أمام الباب. لا تقف أمام الباب, to a man. To a woman you say لا تقفي أمام الباب. Okay. Another verb is قام, past tense. يقوم, present tense. قيام, the noun. Now, the difference between, or subtle difference between waqafa and qama is, qama, you are coming from the lower position, like you are sitting, and then you stand up. Qama, qumtu, qum, stand up. Qumu jamiyan, everybody please stand up. Qumu jamiyan. Now, for waqafa, it's like you are, as if you are moving and you stop. Rather than, for instance, you don't say لا تقم أمام الباب, don't stand in front of the door. You say لا تقف, because the قام يقوم, you are coming from lower position to stand up. So that's the subtle difference between وقف and قام. وقف, the motion's going on and then you stop. But قام, you are standing up. قوموا جميعا. Here we are. Shall we do two more to finish? Yes. Which one? Oh, let's do the idea of to sit. Sit down. And that is جلس. جلس, past tense. يجلس, present tense. جلوس, the noun. Now, there's another noun, another verb, which also means to sit down. And we're going to compare and contrast as well. Let's deal with jalasa first. So jalasa, usually you are sitting up, as if you are reclining, slouching, and then you sit up. You use jalasa. Ejlis mu'tadilan. Sit up, sit upright, sit up straight. Ejlis, so you are coming from a lower position to sit up. Jalasa yajlisu julus. Or that is, you want to be too pedantic, but you can just use it for sit, simply. You can just say ejlis if somebody is standing. You may say, but it's better to use qa'ada, another verb. Qa'ada, past tense. Yaq'udu, Present tense, قعود is the noun. قعد يقعد قعود. And that's usually coming from higher position to lower position. قعد. That is if you want to be very pedantic. Otherwise, you can use قعد and jalasa interchangeably if you like. Here we are. I hope short and sweet, and please add it to the previous verbs. We continue on this path for a while so we can accumulate as many verbs as possible. Thank you so much for watching, and please subscribe if you haven't done so, and send a link for me for those who might benefit from our channel. Thank you so much. And if you can, please, I have a charity. It's called Helping Hands for Education.org. If you can, please, big donation to my charity. There's a link below. And thank you so much for some of you who have done so. I'm very grateful. Shukran jazilan. Jazakumullahu khairan. Shakarallahu lakum. Ahsanallahu ilaykum. Wa adkhala surura ila qulubikum. Ma'a salama. إلى اللقاء في أمان الله.